When it comes to improving your operations, you don't just need data. You need to make sense of that data so that you can achieve real, measurable results. That's why Emerson's Plantweb digital ecosystem securely provides data-rich insights that enable you and your team to make business-critical decisions. These insights are made possible thanks to the industry's most comprehensive portfolio of operational analytics. These analytics help drive improvement at all levels, for specific asset classes or across an entire enterprise without requiring you to overhaul your existing infrastructure. For example, foundational diagnostics of your instrumentation and rotating machinery enable you to respond to equipment issues quicker and more effectively. Go a step further with pre-configured apps that provide insight into the condition of specific asset classes so you can improve reliability and safety. And for even greater impact, take advantage of rich analytical tools that help drive the performance of your operation to new levels. For more complex challenges, Emerson's advanced analytics leverage the power of predictive modeling and machine learning to correlate linkages between data and events and identify root causes so that you can work smarter and solve problems once considered too challenging for real-time analysis. All of these capabilities can be connected into a single, intuitive asset performance platform that fosters collaboration and automates workflows so that the right information gets to the right people at the right time. This means your team stays focused on the tasks that truly add value. Wherever you need it, you'll have actionable information that enables you to make smarter, more strategic decisions that result in real business improvement. That's the power of analytics, and that's the power of Plantweb, a scalable and secure portfolio of transformational technologies, software, and services that provide relevant personnel with enhanced insight to drive top quartile performance. Plantweb. Experience the promise of digital transformation.